Hey everyone, welcome back to the Monarch channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary and I created by-step tutorials on data analysis using SPSS, Excel and other tools. Today, I will show you how to perform descriptive statistics in SPSS. By the end of this video, you'll be able to summarize your data like a pro in SPSS. So if you love data analysis, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Let's get started. Before we jump into SPSS, let's quickly understand what descriptive statistics is. Descriptive statistics help us to summarize and organize data by providing simple summaries. It includes measure of central tendency, where we have the mean, median, mode. We have the measures of dispersion, which include the standard deviation, variance, and range. Next, we have frequency distribution, which includes tables and charts. The last but not the least I have right now is shape of distribution, which includes skewness and kurtosis. Now, let's open SPSS and see how to calculate the statistics. To enter your data, you must come here under your variable view to define your variables. And you want to import the data, you can come here under file, click on import data, even an Excel file, CXT file, or whichever format is it. Mine is in an Excel file, so you click on Excel file, then you open it up, which is descriptive statistics. Okay, and under this interface you select it. You don't need to make any changes. Press your OK, and you can see automatically mine has been imputed. So you can see my satisfaction level is in numeric version. In order to identify which one is the satisfaction level, so we'll come back here, we label 1 will represent the very dissatisfied, 2 will label dissatisfied, 3 will be neutral, 4 satisfied, and 5. This helps your interpretation to be very easy. There's your OK, and you come back, so you change it to ordinal instead of nominal. Then you come back here. A tip I have for you while using SPSS is ensure that numerical data are correctly formatted to avoid errors in analysis. Now let's compute the basic descriptive statistics. So right here, let's start our analysis. Under the tab menu, you will see analyze. Click on it and you can see descriptive statistics. So the first one we want to check is descriptives. You click on it and you click on whichever value you want to analyze, then you press this to bring it into under the variable value. Or if it's all the values, you can just click on one of it, press your shift and press your down key, then move it to this variable space. Then you come here under option 2 and you can see minimum, maximum. If you want to show your variance, and this is okay for me, press your OK, then press OK. So now we can see our results. What is SPSS output? This is an interface where you see the actions carried out in your SPSS data view. So this is where you see the results that are analyzed. This is where you see your chart and graphs that you visualize. Stay tuned to the end because I will show you how to interpret your data after carrying out your descriptive statistics. The next step in descriptive statistics is generating frequency tables for categorical data. Come the same way under your descriptive statistics and you click on your frequencies. So our categorical data are gender and satisfaction level. Then come here under statistics to choose which of the values you wanted to show as results. Then you can click display frequencies table. Okay, so you give it some time. Once you can see here that it is running, you give it some time, then you can see it shows you the frequencies. Amazing. I commend you for staying tuned to learning this far. It takes a lot to learn and I'm glad you're choosing this path. So the next one we have is an advanced descriptive statistics, which is using skewness and kurtosis. These are used to check the shape of our data distribution. To calculate skewness and kurtosis, next one you come here to your analyze. Under the descriptive statistics, you can see explore. Click on it. So remember, strings are not allowed in this explore analysis. Come here to your statistics. If you want to show the outliers, you also select your percentile. Okay, then you click your OK. There you can see your result. Now let's interpret the results of our descriptive statistics. You have the mean. The standard deviation is I, which shows that the data are scattered. So we have the minimum, the maximum, and the mean value of this data. Also, frequencies shows us that female can be found 12 times in this variable and male can be found 13 times. So we have more number of male than female in this data set. Also, this shows us the frequency rate of the satisfaction level of each input in this data. Next, under the skewness and kurtosis, you can see here the skewness is 0 pro, which means it is a positive skewness. And that's it. You now know how to perform descriptive statistics in SPSS like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do want to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notifications so that you will never miss my upcoming SPSS tutorials. Comment below which SPSS do you want me to create next. See you in the next video. Bye.